Hey guys, it's Pauline. I'm not quite sure what this is. It's probably some kind of bag charm. And then this is something from the pre-loved market. So let's take a look. Sorry, this is louder than I thought. Yes, so we got that big packaging just for that. To make sure. So I didn't realize he was going to be that little, but this is a little Rexy knockoff from Amazon. So let's take a look at him. Package in a package. Look how tiny, but it's cute. That would go with a lot of stuff. And I'm thinking I have a Kurt Geiger bag that I think that this would be perfect with. So that's that. And then I don't have to worry about him scratching anything. All right. So that is that. And then let's see what we got here. This is already kind of open. All right. Ooh, here it is. Yes. So I got a really good deal on this little purse here. It's a Dooney. I wasn't sure how big this was going to be. I like it a lot. And oh, this is so soft. I was expecting it to be more structured, more stiff. But I'm glad it's not. So, we got some feet here. This is so soft. I like it. And then we got a big back pocket here. And look at that. Isn't that cute? And this is, I mean, that looks like that's cloth, but it's not. It's a wipeable material. So it's neat. And then we will look at this at the inside. I mean, this thing is in really good condition. Somebody smoked. That's all right. Once I clean it, it should be better. And oh, sorry about that. My son walked in and scared me. All right. Let's see. So this must be a little bit older because there are very few phones that are this small anymore. And I'm getting a strong cigarette smell now, but this is wipeable, so this should be easy to clean. Really neat. I like it. I like this a lot. All right, so let's see. Y'all should smell this. Ooh. All right. There we go. So, look how big that is. That is really nice. Big open mouth. So, I'm really happy. Super cute. All right, so that is what I had to share with you guys. And let me know what y'all think. And I will talk to you later. Bye.